When we are on vacation or immersed in beautiful experiences, we often feel that time passes quickly. Before we know it, the holiday is over, and it's back to work. However, when we are in pain, time seems to crawl. So, is all time the same? Discussing the speed of time might not be best explained through the above examples, as they reflect only subjective perceptions. Objectively, time flows at the same rate. Before 1905, everyone believed that time was constant and unchanging. Time was the same for everyone. However, in 1905, a 26-year-old young man wrote a groundbreaking paper proving that time is relative, and space is not absolute either. Both time and space are relative. However, the author of the paper himself did not agree with the term relativity. He believed that people misunderstood the essence of the theory of relativity. In this theory, the key lies in an invariant factor: the speed of light. From the age of 16, Einstein began pondering the unique nature of the speed of light. After years of reflection, he suddenly realized that the most special aspect of light speed is its constancy. Not only is it the maximum speed in the universe, but it also remains unchanged under all circumstances. Based on this pure belief, Einstein derived the entire theoretical framework of relativity. So, what does the constancy of light speed mean? It sounds counterintuitive. The speed of light is constant for anyone or anything, approximately 299,792,458 meters per second. This means that no matter how you move or how fast you are, the speed of light relative to you remains unchanged. Even if you are traveling at 99% of the speed of light, when you and light start at the same time, light will still be 300,000 kilometers ahead of you in 1 second. You will find that the speed of light you observe is the same as what a stationary observer sees. However, this is hard to comprehend. When you are stationary, light surpasses you by 300,000 kilometers in 1 second, but when you move at 99% of the speed of light, light still surpasses you by 300,000 kilometers in 1 second. Why is this so? In fact, the constancy of light speed is the premise of all deductions in relativity. It cannot be derived from other premises. In other words, the constancy of light speed was Einstein's belief. It has no reasoning behind it, but it is the foundation of relativity, a rule of our universe unless an advanced civilization could break it. No matter how fast you move, from your perspective, light will always outpace you by 300,000 kilometers per second. This is indeed difficult to grasp. Let's do a thought experiment to understand it. Suppose you are in a rocket traveling at 99% of the speed of light and racing against a beam of light. You'll find that after 1 second, light is 300,000 kilometers ahead of you. But what does a stationary observer on the ground see? To them, light only slowly pulls ahead of you. This is because they observe your speed as 99% of the speed of light, with light only slightly faster than you. Thus, in the same 1 second, they see light just barely leading you, not by 300,000 kilometers. Note that in both cases, the duration is 1 second, yet the scenarios observed are completely different. Why is this? You might feel that something must have changed. What changed? Time. For you, in that 1 second, you see the entire process of light pulling ahead by 300,000 kilometers, while the stationary observer needs more time to see the same process. The same event, but your time passes slower, while the stationary observer's time passes faster. From this, we can draw an astonishing conclusion: the faster you move, the slower time flows for you. According to the formula given by relativity, when you reach 99% of the speed of light, the time dilation effect reaches a 1:7 ratio. This means that you perceive time in the slower-moving world as 7 times faster, while 1 second for you equals 7 seconds for others. Conversely, others see you as if watching in slow motion. After 1905, humanity finally realized there is no universal time standard. Time is relative, different objects moving at different speeds experience different times. And all this hinges on the constancy of the speed of light. When exploring the mysteries of time and the laws of the universe, we are deeply awed by the constancy of light speed, a fundamental rule of the cosmos. It is not only the cornerstone of relativity, but also the key to understanding the relativity of time. From Einstein's miracle year to today, humanity's understanding of time has undergone a profound transformation. When we look back at the paper written by the 26-year-old, we cannot help but admire his brilliance and courage. He dared to challenge traditional beliefs and propose new theories, leading humanity to a leap in understanding. His contributions go beyond the great theory of relativity. They deepen our comprehension and appreciation of the universe's nature.